Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get right to that. So, today I'm starting on a nice blank canvas, no pre-coloring or anything of that nature. I thought I'd do just a straight pour because I haven't done that in a while. And I've got 4 colors, pretty much at random. I've got a pink and a black, and blue and green. In the pink, I have dish soap. In the black, I have the shoe water repellent, which I'm pretty sure is silicone based. In the blue, I have hair conditioner, and in the green, I have alcohol. So let's go ahead and just start pouring. Not too concerned, just kind of starting in the middle and working my way out, and we'll see what happens. Ooh, that green might be a little too watery, but that's all right. Interesting things are happening over there already. Not sure what that's all about. Yeah, I think I definitely made that green a little too watery, but that's okay. Obviously my table's on just a bit of an angle. Let's see if I can prevent that. That might help a little bit. No, well, it's all right. Oh, and of course, as usual, water and PVA glue has been added to each paint as well. And I'm just kind of randomly putting the paint on, no real deep thought as to what's going where. Finish off the pink. There we are. And that's it for the pink. That's almost it for the blue. That's it for the blue. And just a little more green, and I think I will be done. Oops, ooh, too much green. That's all right. All right, let's get that out of the way. Go ahead and give it a quick torch, and then swirl it around and see what we get. this out of the way, and here we go. Uh-oh. See a couple lumps there in the blue. I'll have to take care of that in just a moment. Oh, almost got full coverage. It's always that one corner that wants to be a little stubborn. That's alright, I'll take care of that. Now just make sure I get all the sides. Let me see over here. Okay. Yeah, that's a nice full coverage. I like that. Now, as I said, I do see a couple of tiny little lumpy bits that I just want to get rid of. Do it. All right. I think I will go ahead and give it a quick torch again. I do see quite a bit of cell formation already, especially around that area. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and let that sit a bit and see if anything else develops, and we'll come back and take a look and see what we get. Alright, so it's been about a half an hour. I don't know that much happened. I do see quite a lot of cell formation. Just getting a little closer here. Not really huge cells, but definitely lots of cell formation going on there. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and that way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.